Hello friends, today we will discuss multiple choice question of theory of rent and interest. Question number 1. According to theory Ricardo, rent arises due to A. Scarcity of labor, B. Scarcity of capital, C. Fertility differences in land, and D. Increase in money supply. Answer is C. Fertility differences in land. Ricardo's theory of rent says rent arises due to differences in fertility and situation of land. Second is, which of the following is an example of economic rent? A. Normal salary of a worker. B. Extra income of a cricketer due to talent. C. Bank interest. D. Cost of production. Answer is B. Extra income of cricketer due to talent. Economic rent is earning above transfer earning, like extra pay due to special rent. Question number 3. Quasi rent is associated with a land, B. Labor, C. Capital equipment, D. Money. Answer is capital equipment. Explanation: Marshall said intro that quasi rent arises due to temporary extra income from capital equipment in short run. Quasi rent is coined by Alfred Marshall. Question number 4. Rent is a price of land. B. Cost of production. C. Surplus over cost. D. Both A and C. Answer is D. Both A and C. Rent is payment for use of land and is surplus over cost. Question number 5. Which rent is called producer surplus? A. Quasi rent. B. Contract rent. C. Economic rent. D. Scarcity rent. Answer is C. Economic rent. Economic rent is surplus over transfer earning, hence called producer surplus. Question number 6. Who introduced the concept of quasi rent? A. Ricardo. B. Marshall. C. Keynes. D. Pico. Answer is B. Marshall. Alfred Marshall introduced quasi rent for man-made goods in the short run. It arises in short run. Question number 7. Scarcity rent arises due to unlimited supply of land. B. Limited supply of land. C. Perfect competition in labor market. D. High profit. Answer is B. Limited supply of land. The scarcity rent arises when demand exceeds the fixed supply of land. Question number 8. Which one is not a type of rent? A. Economic rent. B. Quasi rent. C. Scarcity rent. D. Monetary rent. Answer is D. Monetary rent. Economic, quasi and scarcity are standard type. Monetary rent is not a theory-based concept. Question number 9. Contract rent is a rent fixed by government. B. Rent agreed between landlord and tenant. C. Rent arising in short run. D. Rent due to scarcity. Answer is B. Rent agreed between landlord and tenant. The contract rent is a payment per contract, not purely economic rent. Question number 10. Economic rent is equal to total earning minus transfer earning. B. Total earning plus transfer earning. C. Transfer earning only. D. Fixed cost minus variable cost. Answer is A. Total earning minus transfer earning. Economic rent is the surplus above transfer earning. Now questions from interest theory. Question number 11. Interest is the payment for A. Use of land. B. Use of money, capital. C. Use of labor. D. Use of organization. Answer is B. Use of money or capital. Interest is the reward for the use of capital. Question number 12. Who gave the liquidity preference theory of interest? A. Ricardo. B. Keynes. C. Marshall. D. Fisher. Answer is B. Keynes. Keynes proposed interest as a reward for parting with liquidity. Question number 13. Who is associated with the Low-Level Fund theory of interest? A. Marshall. B. Keynes. C. Robertson and Olin. C. D. Ricardo. Answer is C. Robertson and Olin. Low-Level Funds theory says interest rate is determined by demand and supply of loanable funds. Question number 14. Classical theory treats interest as a reward for waiting. A. B. Reward for liquidity. C. Reward of labor. D. Reward for entrepreneurship. Answer is A. Reward for waiting. In classical theory, capitalists wait instead of consuming, so interest is reward for waiting. Question number 15. Fisher's theory of interest is based on A. Time preference, B. Productivity, C. Demand and supply of money, D. Inflation. Answer is A. Time preference. Fisher's theory says interest exists because people prefer present goods over future goods. Question number 16. According to Keynes, interest is determined by A. Demand and supply of capital, B. Liquidity preference and money supply, C. Marginal productivity of capital, D. Scarcity of land. Answer is B. Liquidity preference and money supply. Keynes' liquidity preference theory is equal to interaction of money, demand and supply. Question number 17. Gross interest includes pure interest only, B. Pure interest plus risk premium plus management cost. C. Only rent and wages. D. Inflation. Answer is pure interest plus risk premium plus management cost. Gross interest is equal to pure interest plus risk premium plus management and administrative cost. Question number 18. When inflation is high, real rate of interest A increases, B decreases, C stays constant, D becomes zero. Answer is B, decreases. Real interest is equal to nominal interest minus inflation. If inflation is high, real interest falls. Question number 19. Which theory of interest emphasizes productivity of capital? A. Classical theory of B. Keynesian theory, C. Fisher's theory, D. Low-level funds theory. Answer is A. Classical theory. Classical theory says interest arises due to productivity of capital and savings. Question number 20. In Fisher's equation, real rate of interest is equal to A. Nominal interest plus inflation rate, B. Nominal interest minus inflation rate, C. Nominal interest plus into inflation rate, D. Inflation divided by nominal interest rate. Answer is B. Nominal interest minus inflation rate. Fisher's equation says rate of interest is equal to nominal interest minus inflation. So that's all for today. Thank you.